What if one DeFi token could soar to $5? And it's already breaking out. Aerodrome, or AERO, is shaking up the crypto world, and today I'm showing you why. We'll break down a weekly chart with a massive breakout, unpack $1 billion in net deposits, and reveal why experts are calling this a flight of the moon moment. From jaw-dropping stats to insider insights, you'll see how AERO's dominating DeFi and what it means for your portfolio. Want to know the secrets behind this surge? Stick around. This is your chance to get ahead of the curve. Hit that like button now, and let's dive into the AERO hype. Let's start with Aerodrome's weekly chart, because the technicals are screaming opportunity. Right now, AERO's hovering around 62 cents, but check this out. It just broke out of a descending channel, those yellow lines you see here. That's a bullish signal. The Fibonacci levels show key targets: the 0.618 level at $1.50, the 1.618 level at $3.60. And if momentum holds, I'm even eyeing $5. The VRVP on the left shows strong support around 50 cents, meaning buyers are stepping in. And look at the Heikinashi RSI below. It's trending up, confirming bullish momentum. This isn't just a pump, it's a structural shift. Aerodrome's fundamentals are backing this up, which brings us to some insane stats that'll make your jaw drop. Imagine catching this wave early. This is the kind of setup that can change your portfolio. Let's dig deeper into why Aerodrome's making waves in DeFi. Actually, Aerodrome, it's dominating DeFi. Token Terminal's data ranks Aerodrome as the number 2 app on Base with $853 million in TVL, only behind Circle's $3.8 billion. That's huge. In Q1 2025, Aerodrome led with over $1 billion in net deposits on Base, 30% of all protocols combined. They're outpacing giants like Uniswap and Aave. Speaking of Uniswap, this volume comparison chart shows Aerodrome's share on Base is exploding, eating into Uniswap's pie. And get this, Aerodrome captured the top 2 Bitcoin pools across all DeFi chains last week, with their Base CBBTC-USDC pool outperforming competitors by nearly 70%. That's not just growth, that's a takeover. Aerodrome is running laps around the competition. And the crazy part? This revenue comes purely from trading fees and incentives, no token sales. Imagine the potential when new streams hit. Aerodrome's proving it's a DeFi powerhouse, but what's driving AERO's value? Let's unpack the tokenomics next. This is where it gets juicy. An X-post from Alexander shows 4 straight weeks of more AERO being locked than added, over $8 million worth. That's a deflationary spiral. Less supply, more demand. Token Terminal's revenue chart confirms Aerodrome's raking in cash, peaking at $275 million recently, all from fees and incentives. Since launch, they've acquired and locked 100 million AERO, 3.57 million just for public goods and their flight school program. Oh, and flight school? They've already locked over 50 million AERO to date. As Aerodrome's post says, you can join by locking AERO for airdrops. Boosts range from 1.25x to 1.3x for qualifying funds. This flywheel, buybacks, locks, and incentives is designed for long-term value. Aerodrome's base market share will keep growing. Let's see how Aerodrome stacks up against the big dogs next, and why they might just take the crown. Aerodrome's not just playing in the DeFi sandbox, they're kicking sand in the big kids' faces. Phoenix Group's latest data ranks Aerodrome number 6 among decentralized exchanges with $10.6 billion in volume last month, beating Curve and Cetus, but trailing giants like Uniswap at $64 billion and PancakeSwap at $30 billion. Still, Aerodrome's 3.72% of total volume is impressive for a newer player. Their liquidity pools, like Ethereum USDC at 1,000% APR and USDC AERO at 41%, are pulling in serious cash. The deeper the liquidity, the lower the slippage, which is why LPs are flocking to Aerodrome. As their site says, deposit and stake to earn AERO. It's a win-win. But Aerodrome's growth isn't slowing. With $853 million in total value locked and climbing, they're gunning for the top spot. Want to know how to pick winners like Aerodrome? I've got a resource that'll help, but let's wrap up with what this means for AERO's price first. Can it really hit $5? Let's find out. Their site boasts a metadex with battle-tested tech. 100% of fees go to users, immutable code, and on-chain governance. No VC funding, no token sales, just pure growth. Their How It Works diagram shows a perfect cycle. Traders pay fees, liquidity providers earn emissions, and AERO voters decide incentives. This sustainable model is why Aerodrome's soaring. Back to our chart. If AERO breaks $1, the next stop could be all-time highs level, or even $5 with enough momentum. Want to ride this wave and learn more about Aerodrome? I've got the perfect guide for you. My ebook, DeFi Financial Freedom, is just $4.99 and packed with strategies on staking, yield farming, and airdrops. Everything you need to profit from DeFi gems like Aerodrome. It's the ultimate beginner's guide to mastering DeFi, and it's waiting for you in the pinned comment below. Aerodrome's taking DeFi to the skies, and AERO might be your ticket to huge gains. From a breakout chart to $1 billion in deposits, this project is unstoppable. Don't sleep on this. Smash that like button, drop a comment. Have you invested in Aerodrome? And subscribe for more daily DeFi gold. Check out my video on Aerodrome yield farming hacks. It's linked on your screen. Let's soar together. See you tomorrow in the next one.